Hi, welcome back to another video by Daniel and John, and today we're talking about the No-Nonsense Spray Contact Adhesive from Screwfix. We bought 3 of these on a discount deal for about £13. It's fast tack, has a variable spray, it can be used on a wide range of substrates. So fast tack means it'll start holding very quickly, which is good. The variable spray, best used just to show it. That's what it means, it sprays around.
It's like stringy consistency, isn't it?
When you're spraying this on, you need to apply it to both surfaces. So we're sticking that to that. So we would spray this as well.
And it'll go on a wide variety of substrates as well, virtually anything you can think of.
So on here, it's saying it will work on carpets, which it does, I know, wood, concrete, stone, tiles, rubber, fabrics, cardboard, paper and cord.
So it's ideal for DIY and crafts, but what I would say is, depending what you're sticking on, make sure you clean it first. But obviously, because this is new, we don't have to do that. That's important to say.
500 mils in it, used it over many years. It's a good product. Direction for use, just give it a shake and make sure it's not too cold where you're using it. If you need to use it where it is very cold, always pop it in some hot water.
Or leave it inside for a few minutes and then,
there's always ways around it. Just says it's not suitable for plasticized PVC and not sort of used with expanded polystyrene. So
you can't stick stuff to polystyrene with it.
No, it'll probably melt it.
Yeah.
Basically, it's got a solvent in it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, this is excuse me, helps you to get out of a sticky situation. Thumbs up would be appreciated, and subscribe, as we're doing many more hopefully useful videos and informative. Thanks for watching.